Our summer trip. Hello. My name is Lynn. I am 10 years old. Next summer, my family will have a nice trip to Sam Sun Beach in Thanh Province. We are going to get there by car. In the morning, we are going to swim in the sea and then build sandcastles together. At noon, we are not going to have lunch at the restaurant because we are going to bring some food and drink to the beach. We hope the lunch on the beach will be great. In the afternoon, my father and my brother are going to swim in the sea. My sister is going shopping with my mother. I am going to take some photos. When the sun begins to set, we are going to have dinner at a seafood restaurant and then walk along the beach together. It will be a great trip. I'm very excited.